Hello, my name is Levi Moses, and I'm a member of the consulting firm Camarina Tolan Burowitz and Moses. Here at CTB&M, we created a website to not only retain but also to recruit teachers in Germany. We understand, according to the literature right now, and according to cultural, economic, and political dimensions that we have not fully understood, but there is a very large teacher shortage and a teacher retainment problem in Germany. During the development of this website, we tried to focus on not only the background of why Germany is in the state that they're in, but we also tried to focus on how to recruit and retain. We provided insight on how different areas and how you can get certified. We also, why become a teacher, try to teach and try to explain how they could teach in Germany, and give opportunities for recruitment surveys. Not only did we try to focus on retainment of teachers, or the recruitment of teachers, but we also try to focus on the growth within the teaching profession. Beginning the school year, many states have shown that our country is in danger of gradually moving toward an educational emergency, according to Volker Crowder. During this professional growth, we provided opportunities and links, both paid and free, for teachers to be able to grow within the profession. Not only did we want to try to recruit and retain, but we're also trying to consult before teachers leave the profession. Studies show that a teacher does not reach their peak until year 10 of quality education. We understood this, and we try to consult teachers before they left the profession in Germany. This was a tool that we used. We understood that communication would be tough, but in the development of this tool, we hope that the teaching profession in Germany becomes more professional. We hope it's more respected, and we hope to attract more folks to this wonderful profession that we're in. Thank you.